Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Gmail to Proton Mail. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you have your Proton Mail account open in a desktop browser. And once you're inside the Proton Mail, you want to look for the settings icon, this one right over here. Click on it, then go to All Settings. Now this will take you to the full settings dashboard where all the import tools are located. But here you want to find the option called import via easy switch. This one right over here. And this is Proton Mail's built-in tool for moving data from other email providers. So click that, and from here you want to choose more import options. From here, what you need to do is you can select Google as your source. Now, this tells Proton Mail that you're importing from Gmail specifically. After that, you can choose what you want to bring over. But in this case, let's just select emails only. Then let's hit continue. And once you start the import, a Google sign-in window will pop up. Just log into your Gmail account there and confirm access. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as usual. And that's basically it. Your Gmail messages will slowly appear inside Proton Mail with most of your folders and labels carried over as closely as possible. So yeah, transferring Gmail to Proton Mail is pretty straightforward once you use the Easy Switch tool. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!